Hi, Brian here with the Be Outdoors Alaska channel. I am here with my son Brock, and today we are heading from Seward, Alaska over to the Cook Inlet, where we are going to surf fish for halibut, flounder, Pacific Cod, sculpin, shark, and if that's not enough, we end up feeling one of the largest tides in the world. In today's event, the tide will come up so high, not only do we have to worry about losing our fire, but our vehicle.
Look how close that's getting. I don't like that.
By the time we get over to the Cook Inlet, it is almost high tide. We will not make it to the beach where we would like to fish, so we are going to fish in another location tonight and then move over there in the morning.
Well, we made it. It was kind of a rough tide. I threw it out, but look what he's caught. I'm a size 13. That's a decent little halibut. I'm happy with that. So, first halibut here at the Cook Inlet. Hey, you look like little piranhas, dude.
One of the things about Cook Inlet is that it's very flat out in the middle, and basically you want to put your hook right on the edge of the slope where the halibut come along the edge looking for bait fish or dead fish. Welcome to Cook Inlet. So far we have 3 halibut, 2 flounder, and 1 broken line. Out here on the Kenai Peninsula Bluff, there are lots of coal veins sticking out of the side of the mountain. You'll see the coal all over on the ground, and if you actually use it in your fire, it will actually burn very well and very hot. It's just a little difficult to get it started. Brock is not paying attention to his fishing pole, and of course he's getting bites.
What is it? A butt or a flounder or a cod or a... Oh my gosh! Dude, you gotta be kidding me. Where's the hooks? How did that thing swallow that? We're gonna have to cut it open and pick it home. I don't really want to keep it, but there's no way you're getting that hook out, dude.
I am always amazed that these small fish are still able to bite such a large hook. We just stopped in to Sportsman's Warehouse. We are going to pick up some food and head for Seward. Brock was able to catch his last fish, so we both limited out on halibut. We'll go home, get them cut up and processed and in the freezer. Brock doesn't want to come back, so it'll just be me coming back. We will let Brock try and process these fish. He's actually getting really pretty good at it, so we'll let him practice.
Well, that's what we have. Not too bad. Not bad for shore fishing and not using a drone and just casting out. We'll take it. We caught a halibut and a good sized cod, and the waves are coming up. It's about time to back this thing up out of the way. Look how close that's getting. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to hurry him back up. We'll see how it goes. You got one?
Yeah. God, go be a god.
I can't tell. Does it feel like a butt?
It's coming in pretty easy now. I had 9 heads today, so.
It's
What?
Cod. Cod-a-rooney.
I think we're gonna get 20 footers on it.
I actually thought it was smaller until all of a sudden I was looking at it like,
I just seen yesterday it was smaller, you know what I mean?
You're good. We got like 15, 20 minutes. It might go around it though. I don't think it'll put it out. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't want to lose that.
Might as well take it off just in case.
Whoa.
We got some halibut, we got some steak, some cod, and
This morning we are at low tide. You can see how high the tide came up and surrounded the fire. It came awful close to the tent. This is one of the most extreme tidal changes in the world. If you look out there, it is basically flat for hundreds of yards and just inches deep. You can see there's not a whole lot of room left. We were running out of beats to hide from the tide.
oh God!
Ended up breaking off on a fish. It actually snapped his line. It is raining. It's time to get out of here.